Do you want to know how you can cancel your Photoroom subscription? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can cancel your Photoroom subscription easily. Go ahead and open Photoroom, which is on your phone. Go to your content, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Tap on it and go to your account settings. Now, click on Manage Subscription and you can see Request a Refund. Go ahead and tap on Request a Refund and you can see that you have not paid for any subscriptions, so you are not eligible to request a refund. If you had a subscription, then it would say for refund, and if you clicked on refund, you would get your subscription fee back. So let me show it to you once again, guys. Open the Photoroom, go to your content, go to your account settings and tap on Manage Subscription. Now click Request a Refund, and if you are eligible for a refund, you can refund your subscription fee. This was a video on how you can cancel your subscription of Photoroom. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.